System integration and architecture. What is Eloquent ORM in Laravel and how does it simplifies database and interaction? Eloquent ORM is Laravel ORM that lets developer interact with database using models instead of raw SQL. Each model corresponding to a table and provides an easy way to perform CRUD operation relationship like one to many or many to many are handled using simple method. This makes the code cleaner and more readable. How does Laravel handle HTTP requests and define routes? HTTP requests and routes. Laravel handle HTTP requests through its routing system. Routes web.php and routes ap.php routes map URLs and HTTP methods to controllers or closer. Middleware can be applied to routes for authentication for filtering requests. This approach makes request handling structure and maintainable. Explain the role of Blade templating engine in Laravel. Blade templating engine is Laravel built-in templating engine for creating dynamic views. It allows developers to use template inheritance loops and condition within HTML. Blades file use the blade.php extension and are complied for better performance. This makes the view layer easy to maintain and customize. What are the security features provided by Laravel? Laravel provides CSRF protection, SQL injection prevention, and password hazing by default. It uses prepared statement for database queries and includes built-in authentication. Laravel also supports authorization gates and policies for access control. These features makes Laravel's application secure against common attacks. How does Laravel R how does support how does Laravel support task scheduling? Task scheduling Laravel's attacks scheduler allows automatic repeat, repeat repetitive tasks like sending emails or clearing logs. Tasks are defined in app console kernel.php using schedule method. A single cron job can trigger Laravel scheduler to run this task automatically. This makes the auto- automation simple and efficient.